Praise the Lord. My name is Dhanya. This is my son, Sion Antonio Fernandez. And this is my uncle, Joseph. I'm here to say the testimony for my son. This testimony was mainly because I had no child for 12 years. And the covenant was taken by my uncle Joseph on 31st October 2018. So till 2018, I did all the treatments, everything, and finally there was no hope. And doctor said, you will have to go for IVF or IUI. But somewhere I had a hope saying that, let me not go for that IVF. I attended so many retreats, even I attended in Attapadi also. And my uncle said, just listen once to Kripasanam's, Father Joseph's, whatever this one comes in YouTube, the prayers. So praying after all these years, I had no child, and I said, it is of no use, because I don't want to pray anymore. It is simply. But even after that, uncle was keep on sending me those letters, where I saw so many testimonies saying that after 18 years, after 26 years. So somewhere I felt like, okay, fine, let me try this. But I prayed, there was no use. Then I thought, maybe my prayer is not sufficient. Main thing is because there was no faith in what I was asking. So in 2019, earlier I was working as a teacher. So I resigned my job from that teaching profession. And I said, okay, fine, now let me try. I'll pray. I'll dedicate myself to God. So in 2019, August, I was conceived. I was very happy. It was natural conceived. There was no treatment, nothing. So in 2018, August, I was conceived. But that happiness did not last for a long time. Because on November 5th, again I had an abortion in my 5th month. And I lost that baby boy. Again I started my treatment. But doctor said, since you're already crossed your age, so there is no hopes. So why don't you go for adoption? This was the final thing what doctor gave me. And I was like, okay, fine, let me go for the adoption. I told my husband, I told my uncle. But uncle was like, no, just pray. Keep faith. God is testing you. So I was asking my uncle, is this the way God is testing? Giving the child and taking back. What sort of testing is this? I said, no, I will never pray hereafter. But uncle said, no. He sent me those holy honey and those medals, everything. He told, you just wear it in your neck. Everything will be fine. But keep your hope. So I said, okay, let me see. This will be my last try. In case if I don't get, I will never pray. I'll forget everything because there is no God. Then again I started seeing this YouTube channel of Father, and I prayed myself saying that, Mother Mary, see, when you are a mother, you carried your child from womb till the death. So why don't you bless my womb? In case if I get this, definitely I'll get my child to your place and I'll give the testimony. So again I went to the doctor and I told very clearly, this will be my final thing. And when I went home, I told my mother, on Christmas date I went to my mom's place and I told my mother, this will be my last visit to this house, because if I'm coming next to this house, it will be only with my child. In case if I don't get my baby, then I will never enter to this house. I just told this word and I went back and I started my treatment again. In the month of January, doctor gave me a hope saying that you don't go for any IVF or anything. Since you are already conceived once, there are chances. But you have to listen to what I say, only of 30%, the rest 70% is of God. I said, fine, I'll do whatever you say. And he had not given me hope saying that next month only itself you will conceive. And February 3rd night, I had my bleeding. And my husband was totally desperate. He said, it is better we go to the doctor this month and we'll just ask for adoption. Let us adopt somewhere. And if I said, no, let us believe. We'll go to the doctor once. And I went to my doctor and I told him like this, doctor, last night I had my bleeding, but why don't you do my pregnancy test? And doctor with smile, he told, you're saying that you're having a bleeding and you're asking me to do the pregnancy test. There is no use. I told doctor, let's see. And you're saying, doctor said me, there is 99% it will be negative. I said, maybe that 1%, it can be positive. And doctor with a smile told the nurse, okay, she has lot of money, just do a UPT test. And when the nurse did, she was surprised and she gave it to the doctor. And doctor gave me a smile. He said, I appreciate your confidence. I asked doctor, am I pregnant? That was the first word. And doctor said, yes, you are pregnant. And immediately he did my scanning, my child, everything, the child's heartbeat, everything was normal. And doctor said, this is nothing from my hand. I just told doctor, thank you very much. Like I was in the stage where I can just want to hug the doctor. And doctor said, it is not what I gave you the medicine, but it is your faith and God. Praise the Lord. So I was very happy from then, from Feb 4th, 2018 till September 18th, the day my son was born. That is till September 17th. I was completely on bed rest. This is what the doctor had suggested me. So I took his suggestion very faithfully, and in meanwhile, one of my aunt, she had also sent me a rosary, because usually I don't wear rosary or any scapulars on my neck. And she told me, the day you come to know that you are pregnant, you will have to wear this rosary until you deliver the boy. And that rosary lasted in my neck until my son was 1 year. But after that, he was the one who just pulled it. I suggested this to two of my Hindu friends also. Have faith in God and everything is possible. There is nothing called impossible, because the word impossible says, I am possible. If we split that word, this is what I firmly believed. And as per uncle's suggestion and instruction, I followed. And on behalf of me, my uncle Joseph also prayed very earnestly. And I thank my uncle and his family for praying for me. And today I'm really very proud. I can face people, because usually there was a lot of taunts. Oh, she is barren. She doesn't have child even after 12 years. But finally God said, you cannot be barren. And now my son is 2 years, 4 months old. So he's very healthy and happy. And I thank God for all the things.